this is just a quick message really just for the people that keep asking me about the panel hammers. Now I sold a batch of these hammers last year and a whole lot sold in a couple of days, and I've been so busy what we're doing, the van and work and YouTube and everything else, I just haven't had the chance to buy another batch and process them. Now when I process them, these letters have all got to be stuck on, and then the whole thing is clear coated over, so it's not a 5-minute job to do this, so I just really haven't had the opportunity. But because of the way things are right now, I've had the opportunity to get on and do some. So hopefully next week or the week after I'll do another quick video just to say there's a hammer sale on. Just one quick thing before I go, I'd just also like to say that I've just uploaded another video on our other channel, because myself and my wife have got another channel called The Baking Bird, and that's all about the van. So if you'd like to see some more of the van, because I've included some really good footage in that video of the van, and in that video we're giving away the Chocolate Society's special 61% Colombian hot chocolate. We're going to give this box away to anybody. Just leave a comment in the comment section on that video and you'll be in with a chance of winning this box of hot chocolate, because we got lots of it, you know. So we thought, well, we do something nice, sort of lift people's spirits a bit, you know. The video's hopefully quite entertaining and funny as well. So what I'll do is I'll leave a link in the video description. Just click on that link, it'll take you straight to the video. Be nice if you could subscribe as well, because we're trying to build that up as well and do something with that channel. So that'd be really, really nice as well. I just thought I'd say that, just because there are just so many new subscribers and new people may not know about that channel. So that's it. I'll see you very shortly for another sort of metal shaping or welding video or whatever. So bye for now.